Welcome. In this video I will show you how to activate 100 mode in your RedMagic 11 Air smartphone. First of all, we're gonna have to open settings on this phone, and in settings scroll down to features, select features menu and go to 100 mode option. To enable it, switch the toggle to the right and then select one of the two available 100 mode sub modes. So the small window will basically make the window where you currently at smaller after you activate 100 mode, and half screen will basically just drag the window to half of your screen, and you'll be able to easily access the elements at the top of the window with just one hand. So here you can see the animations showing how to activate now one-handed mode using each navigation type. As you can see, I have the gestures navigation enabled. So in my case, in order to activate one-handed mode, I just have to swipe from make a little swipe at the bottom of the screen. And now in window mode, or the small window mode, I just have to adjust the size of the window like this, and then I'll be able to access the elements at the top of the window using just one hand. And to go back, tap right here. To move the window, you're gonna have to tap one of the arrow icons and then tap at the bottom again to maximize your window once again. And in half screen mode it looks like this. So yeah, so the window just gets dragged a bit to the bottom, and this way we will be able to easily reach the top elements of the window with just one hand. And so yeah, that's basically how you activate 100 mode on your RedMagic smartphone. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.